Hello and welcome. You're watching Beyond World is One. My name is Heem Khorsara and here's a look at all the top stories that we're tracking for you at this hour.
मैं आप सबसे आग्रह करता हूं, कम मेक इन इंडिया, मेक फॉर द वर्ल्ड.
Come, make in India, make for the world. Prime Minister Modi tells business leaders in Japan. The Indian Prime Minister is on a two-day visit to the country where he will be holding summit talks with his counterpart Shigeru Ishiba. Ukraine claims its defense intel unit has struck a Russian Buyan M small missile ship in the Azov Sea. This ship is a carrier of caliber cruise missiles. This is Russia says its forces used an unmanned speedboat to hit and sink a Ukrainian reconnaissance boat in the mouth of the Danube River. Yemen's Al Jamouria channel reports that the Prime Minister of the Iran-backed Houthi rebels Ahmad al-Rahawi is killed in an apartment in Sana'a during the Israeli strikes on Thursday. Japan's defense ministry is seeking to triple drone spending as part of record $60 billion budget request made on Friday. Japan's defense ministry officials say the overall defense budget increase reflects the severely intensifying security environment around Japan. Mumbai's Eastern Freeway witnesses massive traffic jam ahead of Maratha protest at Azad Maidan as lakhs of Maratha supporters are joining today's peaceful protest at Azad Maidan. BJP and Congress workers clash in Patna during a protest carried out by the ruling party over the abusive language used against Prime Minister Modi during Rahul Gandhi's rally in Pol-bound Bihar. Brazil is taking steps to hit back at US tariffs. President Lula has triggered a new reciprocity law that could lead to countermeasures after Trump imposed 50% duties on Brazilian imports. India's double Olympic medalist Neeraj Chopra finishes second in the Zurich Diamond League. Germany's Julien Weber wins the javelin event with a throw of over 90 meters. For latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.